Hey guys, today we got a unique piece here. This is a SpaceKap. It's a SpaceKap Compact by SpaceKap, or Fiberback. Fits a 6.5 foot bed trucks. Now this one specifically came out of a Chevy short bed, 6.5 foot bed. But this is built to fit all 6.5 foot beds. This is in pretty decent shape. It's an encapsulated cap, so it's pretty well self-contained. Does have a strobe light on the top, beacon on the light top. I don't know, might work. We don't check any of the 12 volt stuff. A little bit of a stress crack right there. Nothing major. Looks good all the way through there. This is all gel coat type finish, so there's no real paint issues on these. It is white. They're fairly expensive pieces when they're new. The keys, or the lock system there. There's the so it has a door here. You open this up. That opens up inside into the inside here. Has a shelving unit built in here. Has a couple plastic little bins there come with it. It has these little yellow, I don't really know, but I'm assuming these things hook on the back side. They won't work here because the door wouldn't shut, but hook on the back side so you can hang up like extension cords or something. Really don't know what those are for, but they came with it, and there they are. So the door shuts up like so. Latches like that, and then that closes up and covers up the locks to keep the weather out of it. So it is encapsulated, so it is, you know, it goes all the way down. There's the clamps that lock it into the truck bed. There. Front, there's no windows or anything on these. It's typically the way they're made. Really not much there to see. Bottom edge looks good. Has some marks on it from the installation kit that we'll look at here in a minute. So there's the back door. There's a double door on the back. Brake lights built into the door. Let's go on this side here. Top on this side looks good. Looks good all the way through there. It's the same as the other side. Open, twists open, opens up. Allows access. This has a couple shelves in it, and these, not sure, little bin air holders, something. Some wiring. There's some of the wiring that was from the cap, however it was used for installation in there. Then the same thing as the other side. This closes down, latches like so, and then closes up to cover up the lock, keep the weather out. Like I said, it's fully encapsulated, so it just kind of sits right in the truck bed. Some marks down there on the bottom from the install kit. There's a couple scuffs right there on the corner, but it's not really anything you're ever going to see. So there it is, SpaceKap Compact is the style on this one here. So there's the inside shelving unit. There's a couple hooks here for extension cords or what have you. There's the tool there to install it and take it back out. Serial number is right there. Can't really, there we go, that's better. Okay. This does have a Slide Master slide in this. So this pulls out, it's a 1,000-pound capacity. This pulls this lever, this pulls out. And this allows, this opens up like so. So that way you can access your tools or whatever you have on there. Slides pretty much all the way out. You just push this red button down here, and then that goes right back in. And it locks back in place again. And then there it is. It's a pretty nice setup. There's the mechanism that locks it down into the bed. All four corners has that. Like so. Inside of the doors, there's the keys to it. It does have a latch on this side so you can open the door up from inside here. On this inside door here. And then this door, if you get stuck in it for some reason, it's got a little safety latch to get you out of here too, so your buddies don't lock you in on the work site. I guess they actually could lock you in, but that'd be kind of mean. So there it is. Oh, I've got the there's the wiring too. I forgot to. So it's got a wiring right there that goes up into the truck for the tail lights and brake lights and stuff. And not the tail lights, but the brake lights and stuff. And then we've got, there's the rest of the wiring there. This is the part that actually attached to the vehicle. Now this one came, there's the install kit. So this is what it installs on the floor. Now this specific install kit is the GL07. So that is sort of the 07 to 13 body style Chevy GMC trucks. I believe it was in the 14 to 18 body style truck when we got it, but I'd have to go back on the photos on that. But either way, you can get an install kit for your specific truck if you want it installed in there properly. We can order that, or you can order that, or however you want to do that. Specifically get a install kit for that truck. Like I said, there's a wiring, so that should be most of everything we need. You would need to install that in your truck. And then, like I said, if you got the 07 to 13, or maybe even the 14 to 18 Chevy 6.5 foot bed, that'll work fine. This is what it came out of, but this is designed to fit all 6.5 foot bed trucks. So there it is. It's the SpaceKap, what they call the Compact series. It's just not as tall as the regular SpaceKap. It's not real high. I know we have some pictures of this truck, of it in the truck, so I'm sure we'll have the pictures of that uploaded as well, so you can see what it looked like on the truck. So below is a link to this unit on our website. You can click that link, see which location it is, see how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, those can all be purchased from us. Click that link, go to our website, type in the search bar what you're looking for, and we'll get that shipped out to you right away. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, a certain style cap, model, brand, color, what have you, we upload our used inventory to YouTube and our website as soon as inventory comes in. So you want to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on inventory as it gets here. As with all our truck caps, they are local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.